How to remove Yahoo search from Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Chrome browser and say, for example, I wanted to search for something. As you can see, it's given me the search results but in the Yahoo search engine. How can I remove this? The process is very easy and simple. All what you need to do is click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on settings. And here from the basics section, click on search engine and you will have a bunch of search engines that you can choose from other than Yahoo. Say for example Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, etc. Select any search engine you want and for example say it's Google. By doing this you have just changed the Chrome browser search engine from Yahoo to Google. So let's go back, open a new tab and search for the same thing. As you can see now, it's giving us the search result in the Google search engine. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove the Yahoo search engine from the Chrome browser. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.